Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is count numbers containing 4. So in this question we have given a number n, and from range 1 to n I have to count how many numbers are there that contains 4 as a digit. So from 1 to 9 I have only one digit, which is 4, and from 1 to 14 I have two digits, which is 4 and 14. So the answer is 2. So let's discuss the approach now. So if I have a number n, then I have to traverse from 1 to n and check if ith number contains 4 or not. So I will build a function check if it contains 4 or not, and I have a number I, or let's say x, and it will return boolean. Then I have to check if this x contains 4 or not. So x, suppose x is very large number, 1 2 7 this. So if I get this last number remainder, so how will I get this last number? So if I take mod with 10, so this will give me remainder, and first remainder is 7. So just check if remainder is equal to 4, then I have found 4, so return true. Else just divide the number with 10, so this will give me 124. So after that just divide x with 10, so now it will give me 124. I have to find till number is greater than 0, till number is greater than 0. So now our last digit is 4, our remainder is 4, so we have found 4, it will return true. If this condition will not execute, then I have to return false. So this is our question. Let's jump into the code now. Question is very simple. So first I have a number answer, so I have to return how many numbers are there. So just traverse from 0 to n. Now on this step I am building a function check, so this will give me boolean. I have run a while loop if number is not equal to 0 or number is greater than 0. So just check the remainder. If it is equal to 4, then return true, else divide the number with 10. At then return false. So if I found 4, then increment our answer, at then return our answer. So now let's discuss the time complexity. So if you remember binary search, so binary search, we have time complexity as log 2n, which means we are either moving to left portion or we are moving to right portion. So we are dividing our answer in two portion, and we are going on to the one direction. On this we are dividing our answer with 10, so it is log 10 to the power n. So our check function time complexity is log n, and our main function time complexity is n, so it will be n log n, and our space complexity is constant. So let's discuss one another approach. So instead of building this check function, I can do one more thing. If I have an integer I can just convert this integer into string, and on this string just check if string contains 4 or not. So using this, just traverse from 4, because 1 till 3 the answer is stays as 0. So just traverse from 4 onwards. So just convert your integer into string. So I have converted my integer into string, and if I find 4, so if 4 is found into the string, and is so if 4 is found, it will return an index. So if index is greater than -1, because if not found, it will give you -1, and if found, it will give you a positive value, which is index. So it is a zero based indexing. So if 4 is found, I am incrementing my answer and at then returning our answer. So I hope you guys understood the code. So with this, I have completed my 50 videos on POTD. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you all for watching this video.